Hi, I'm Zach, and today I got a camera power system I think you're going to find pretty interesting. Now normally my camera is powered by one of these. This is a 2000 milliamp hour battery and it gives you about 2.5 hours of record time. But what if I could use one of these? A Dewalt tool battery. This is 20 volts, this particular one's 3 amp hours, and I have a workbench full of these batteries. Wouldn't it be great not to have to buy into a V-mount battery system and invest in all those batteries and mounts for it and connectors? Well, that's when I came across the Kessler Mag Max. And with the Kessler Mag Max, we can take these Dewalt batteries and power our entire camera system. Let's take a closer look. The connectors that the Mag Max has is a D-tap connector, a 5.5mm female barrel connector, a Lehman 2-pin connector. There's also a 5-volt USB port. The Kessler Mag Max uses Dewalt 20-volt batteries and Dewalt 6020 flex-volt batteries, and regulates the output to 14.4 volts at 3 amps. A 2000 milliamp hour battery will give you 2 to 2.5 hours of record time, whereas a 4 amp hour battery will give you over 6 hours of record time. Of course, the record times are going to vary depending on the amount of devices you're using with the Mag Max system. What's the mag in the Mag Max? Well, on the base there are 6 very strong magnets there. How strong? And it does not come off easy. The mounting options are a 1/4-20, a 3/8/16 tapped, and pass-through holes. This will allow attaching the Mag Max to cheese plates, tripods, and anything with an industry standard hole pattern. It's important to remove the Dewalt batteries off of the adapter when not in use. The Mag Max will discharge the Dewalt batteries past their minimum charge state. This will not allow the Dewalt batteries to recharge again. You can see a little red light inside the Mag Max that informs you that it is receiving power. And while you can find V-mount batteries with connectors similar to the Mag Max, those connectors are on the batteries themselves, which means switching out the batteries requires disconnecting all the cables. The Mag Max connectors are all on the adapter and not the battery. The Kessler Mag Max is going to run you $240. At the end of the day, the Mag Max is not going back in the box for me. It's not going to be for everybody. If your camera is pulling over 3 amps, this power system isn't going to be able to deliver that. But for everybody else running DSLRs, maybe a light, a monitor, mic system, it's going to power those fantastically. And the great thing is you have access to these batteries at any local store. Lowe's, Home Depot. V-mount systems, you know, you forget that when you go to a shoot, it's going to be a while before your shipment gets there. Even if you have a V-mount system, this could be a great backup system to have in your bag. The other great thing is that when I'm done filming on the set, I'm ready to strike the set. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification so that you get alerted to our newest videos and reviews.